So you might be in a situation where for some reason your touch screen in your Tesla is just not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing that most people probably recommend you to do is usually just get out of the car and come back into the car. Sometimes this can be a little weird issue because there's a little like sensor in the seat of your car that basically will turn on the touchscreen. Now, if it doesn't come up as soon as you go and get in the car, you can also, click on the brake of your car and see if that changes anything. Maybe that will change something. If that still doesn't work, the next thing you might want to try doing is to restart the touchscreen of your car. And you can do this by actually holding down on your steering wheel. You want to hold down both the knobs, both the knobs that are on your Tesla's, steering wheel. So depending on which Tesla you have, you should have both, knobs. So right next to the T logos, there's these two knobs. Hold down those two knobs for a few seconds, and that will restart the touchscreen. So if your touchscreen is not working, that should allow you to go ahead by holding down both those knobs. That should allow your screen to go and turn off. Give it a few moments, it'll turn back on. You'll see the Tesla logo, and that's the other thing I'd recommend you to do. Now, if that still doesn't end up working, people are saying to turn your car off and turn it back on. There's not really a way to do that in the Tesla for the most part. Really, the only way to do it after that is to basically contact Tesla and have them kind of take a look at your car. So what they recommend you to do is open up your Tesla application. So find the Tesla app. So just like this, open up the Tesla app. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down on your Tesla app until you see a little option that says service. So tap on that service option. And then what's going to happen is it's going to bring you into this page. So then what you're going to want to do is you want to click request service. So tap on request service and it's going to allow you to kind of specify what the issue is. So you want to go and find the one that's the best one for you, probably interior, and then go ahead and it will allow you to go ahead and basically, set up an appointment with them because there's probably a problem with your car and you might want to go and, kind of fix it. So that's kind of how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.